My husband and I decided to visit the famous waterfalls in Sapa, Vietnam. It's called the Golden Stream. Love Waterfall. These magnificent natural masterpieces are formed through rock erosion, creating dramatic drops where water cascades down with powerful force. With their breathtaking beauty and a touch of magic, it's hard not to fall in love with every waterfall.